we'll guide you through how to download from Gumroad. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gumroad website. Log into your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main page, navigate to your library by clicking on the Library tab located at the top of the page. This is where all your purchased products are stored. Find the product you want to download. You should see a list of all your purchases here. Click on the product image or title to open its details page. On the product details page, look for a button that says Download or View Content. Click this button to start downloading the files. If there are multiple files, you might see options for downloading each one individually, or you might have the option to download everything as a zip file. Choose the option that works best for you. If you're downloading a zip file, you may need to extract the contents once it's downloaded. You can do this by right-clicking the file and selecting Extract All if you're on Windows, or double-clicking the file if you're on a Mac. Remember that some files might be large, so ensure you have enough storage space and a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. Once downloaded, you can access your files from your usual download location on your computer, which is typically the Downloads folder unless you have set it differently. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded from Gumroad. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.